Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I gonna show you the top 3 website you can make money by just uploading photos guys. Stay tuned for more. Okay guys, what do you expect from this video? This video is all about how you can make money by just uploading photos on internet guys, and I show top 3 website of this guys, and it's available worldwide and no matter where you're from, and it's also legitimate way to make money guys, and it's also PayPal money guys. Without any further ado, let's dive into this video guys. Before diving this video, if you're new here, this is online business entrepreneur YouTube channel where you can find awesome video about make money online, Instagram tips and YouTube tips guys. And if you don't subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment below guys, and let's go guys. The first website and the best website we're gonna see is called MNFST guys, mnfst.com, and I leave a link all of those website guys mentioned in this video. It's not any affiliate link guys. Click the link and go to this website and sign up guys. And I also upload each one of this website separately guys, and if you don't watch that video, go to my channel and watch that video guys, and I explain about clearly everything about this website guys, and I show this video guys. And for the first website, as I told you earlier, MNFST guide guys, this is his photo upload website or a story upload website guys. You can connect your Instagram account and just post your post on Instagram account and get paid guys. It's easy method guys, and it's how it's work guys. Just to create an account in MNFST guys and post as usual. You can do in social media and get paid guys. You can receive a payment in 24 hours guys, and it's a payment via PayPal guys. If you have a PayPal account, connect the PayPal account to this MNFST app guys. It's also available Android and iOS guys. If you add a device and go to sign up this account and get some money guys, just to post guys, just to post, there is almost 343,000 people saw 34300 people saw money of making with this app guys. This is a real people making good amount of money with this guys. You see guys, I already upload what type this video guys. Just to go and check this video, and you can clearly get some idea about this app guys, and I show also how you can make some good amount of money with this app guys. Go watch this video guys, and let's see guys how's the reviewer in the App Store and Apple App Store guys. Just to see App Store and Google App Store guys. First is Apple App Store guys. I think this apps is got lots of higher rating guys, and this is the apps looks like an App Store guys. It's almost got 4.1 out of 5 guys. This is insane guys. Some people are good at making some good amount of money just posting on Instagram and make some good amount of money guys. And in Play Store, it's got about 3.9 out of 5 guys. It's also like a kind of good guys, but it's you can make some good amount of money guys with this. And 3.9 out of 5 guys, it's good guys. And we gonna see the second website is called kikiers.com guys. It's recently changed their domain name guys. First in kiki.com, kikiapps.com .com guys. Now it's changing to kikiers.com guys. If you go to kiki.com, it's not work guys. Just to go to kikiers.com. This is simple app guys, similar to MNFST. It's like a own Instagram guys. This apps or this company create a own Instagram just to pay the post a photo and get paid guys. Similar to MNFST, all these apps are similar to MNFST, similar to uploading a photo guys. Just upload a photo as your wish and get some good amount of hash guys. If you come to this website, click sign up guys, so automatically take you to the sign up page, and you can just put your email address and full name and password and click sign up guys. And if you add a referral code, and get some little amount of cash for your referral guys, and also you guys. Just to go to this website, I leave a link below guys. It's not any affiliate link as I told you earlier, just a link, and go to sign up with this website and make some money by uploading your favorite photo or any other photo on the internet guys. And it's also available on both iOS and Android guys, and you can install app on mobile guys, and paid some good amount of money with this website, guys. And the last website we gonna see is called Shutterstock, guys. This is the premium website. You can upload a premium photo or professional photo or any something like iPhone photo. You can make money, guys. That's a premium website. People are making tons of money with this Shutterstock, guys. This is the best source for content creators and some movies and movie photographer, videographers, and you can grab the opportunity and make some good amount of money with this, guys. Just come over this shutterstock.com and click sell content, guys. It automatically take you to sign up process and get some good amount of money with this, guys. And this is the look like, guys, sign up process and how you can become contributor, guys. Just to create a professional high quality photo, guys, and submit to the Shutterstock and get paid, guys. Once a customer downloaded it from, it's available worldwide, guys. Shutterstock available worldwide, so there is lots of traffic available, guys. This also referral program, guys. And I also make about make about video about Shutterstock, guys. If you don't watch, I'll leave link below, guys. Are going to my channel, watch, guys. I upload starting of the channel, guys. How I make $668 with this Shutterstock, guys. And go watch this and make some good amount of money with this Shutterstock, guys. And it's also available worldwide, guys. And I show all of this website are available worldwide, guys. No matter where you're from, it's available worldwide. And get some goods and make some good amount of money with this, guys. As I told you, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment below, guys. And I catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace.